So here I am after a much needed gap. I am bringing a series of MCQs which is a latest change in MUS's exam pattern. Here I will be discussing MCQs weekly of all the subject of third year which includes surgery, obstetrics and gynecology, homeopathic materia medica and organon. Hello everyone and welcome you all. Myself Shweta Anande and I am studying in third year B.H.M.S. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit that like button. Also press that bell icon to get first notification of my videos to you. So in this video I will be discussing the MCQ of surgery. This will be the part 1 of series of MCQs for the surgery. First question is syphilitic chancre previously called. First of all we will see what is syphilis. Basically it is a venereal disease caused by infecting organism Treponema pallidum. So the chancre was previously called as, first option is bright chancre, cock chancre, third is Hunterian, and fourth is none of the above. So first bright chancre, there is no any terminology like this. Second cock chancre, it may be related with the cock disease, that is tuberculosis, which is also called as cock disease. Third is Hunterian chancre. So as given in the textbook of surgery, the disease is divided into 4 stages, that is primary, secondary, tertiary and latent. So in primary syphilis, the chancre is called as Hunterian chancre. So this is the answer, that syphilitic chancre previously called as Hunterian chancre. So the correct answer for the first is Hunterian chancre. Next question is syphilis is caused by which organism? Just now I said that the syphilis is a venereal disease and it is caused by the Treponema pallidum. It is a delicate spiral organism also known as spirochetes. So the option number third, Treponema pallidum, is the correct answer. Next is, which of the following syphilis remains symptomless but the serum tests are always positive? First is latent syphilis, primary syphilis, tertiary syphilis and congenital syphilis. So here the symptoms are not seen but the serum test for syphilis comes always positive. That means the disease must be hidden state, and rest primary and tertiary are the stages of syphilis which has their own symptoms, and last congenital is totally a different thing. So the answer for this is hidden, that is latent syphilis. First one, latent syphilis. So the next question is what causes early and severe deformity but the deformity is localized? First one is tuberculoid leprosy, lepromatous leprosy, both of the above, none of the above. First we will see what is the difference between tuberculoid and lepromatous leprosy. There are nothing but the two extreme varieties of leprosy. The lepromatous leprosy causes mild and late deformities which are widespread, whereas tuberculoid leprosy causes early and severe deformity which is localized. Hence we are asked the severe deformity which is localized and it is seen in tuberculoid leprosy. Therefore the first option is the answer, that is tuberculoid leprosy, which is seen somewhat like this. Okay, so the next is HIV devasts the following system. First is renal system, circulatory system, central nervous system and immune system. So in this question, HIV devast means someone which is destructing or overpowering something. So the HIV, in its name itself given that it is a human immunodeficiency virus, so of course it will attack or devast the system is nothing but the immune system of the person. So the correct answer is last one, immune system. Next question is, which kind of cells are attacked by HIV? So just now I said that the HIV devours the immune system. So by what the immune system is made of? Of course the fighters of our body, that is WBCs and T cells. The rest RBC provides us the oxygen. Then platelets play a very important role in coagulation system, and epithelial tissue maintains the normal epithelium. So correct answer will be second one, that is WBC, also called as T cells. The next question is, what is the best way to protect against HIV? First option, vaccination. Second, use of birth control pills. Third, A and B. Fourth, prevention. So, as the HIV virus mutates very fast, there is no any vaccine for it. So, first option is not in the list. Second one, use of birth control pills is useless thing because it transfers by unprotected sexual contact, so it is not suggested to take the birth control pills. So also the second option is not. Third is of course not. And fourth, prevention. Lastly, the prevention is the only correct way to be protected against the HIV. So our correct option is prevention, that is the best way to protect against HIV. Next question is, depletion of which antibody containing jejunal and rectal plasma cells and result in the risk of cancer development. So first option is IgA, second IgM, IgE and IgG. So which are the antibodies which contain jejunal and rectal plasma cells and decrease in their numbers corresponds to cancer development? So the correct answer for this is IgA, because this antibody contains jejunal and rectal plasma cells. IgM is present in blood and lymph, whereas IgE is the antibodies for allergic reaction. So the correct answer is first, IgA antibodies which contain jejunal and rectal plasma cells. Next question is, less extensive HIV wart infection can be controlled by application of. In HIV there are some warts, so the infection can be controlled by which of the application of which of the following drugs. So first is gentamicin, second is podophyllin, third is neomycin and fourth is none of the above. So for second option, that is podophyllin, is our homeopathic remedy. First one is gentamicin, which is a antibiotic, and neomycin is also antibiotic, but gentamicin is somewhat powerful than a neomycin. So in the case of HIV wart infection, to control the wart, we will give the drug of choice will be gentamicin. So the correct option is first, gentamicin is the we will use. So the last question of this series is, HIV patient die because of what? So first option is decrease in CD4 cell count, decrease in B cells, decrease in platelet count and increase in antibody. So as we have discussed, in HIV the person's immune system is deranged. So the what makes the immune system is our WBCs, which are nothing but also called as CD4 cells. So the correct option will be first, decrease in CD4 cell count, which will cause the patient to die of HIV positive. Okay, so this what all the 10 questions in this series. I hope that you got something from my explanation. In next video I will be back with another bunch of MCQs. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, as it will give me more motivation to do such more videos. Thank you.